I'm Mark Leader, and I want to welcome you to the Power of 3 video series. This video series is designed to share with you 3 ideas to help make this your most successful year ever in the real estate business. So let's get started. In Dale Carnegie's groundbreaking program, How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale taught us that when you meet someone for the first time, you need to find something you have in common with them and always stay humble and never brag about your success. In the real estate business, this can create a bit of a dilemma for salespeople. We know we should not be bragging about our success, but what is the consumer buying from us? After all, one of the biggest components the public is buying from you is you. They need to know about your success in order to feel confident in who or what they are buying. So how do we overcome this obstacle? Well, a tried and proven system to brag about you without bragging about you is your pre-listing package, or what I like to call your silent salesperson. In the simplest form, what is a silent salesperson? It is your opportunity to brag about you and your company without bragging about you and your company. Let me explain. You send the consumer information about you in advance to meeting with them. Now, there is 3 possible ways of doing this. The first would be what I might call old school. You create a binder of information and have it dropped off in advance. I would suggest to you not to do this, as it will take up too much of your time and will not present you in the best light. The second way then is you can always have a 3 or 4 fold brochure created and send it to them. This is better, but not the best. The best way is to present a cutting-edge image for yourself, showing you in the best light possible. I would strongly suggest you invest in a personal video that you can email to your prospect as a link before you go over. In today's world, this is very cost-effective. It can be choreographed to tell your story in a controlled way, and it will also create a cutting-edge image. Along with that, with today's technologies, you can make sure it's been viewed by your potential customer by the video sending you back a message once it has been opened. This idea will increase your hit ratio, be unique in most marketplaces, but most importantly, take the dilemma off your hands on how to blow your own horn and your company's horn without sounding like a braggart. Well, until next time, keep building those relationships. And remember, if you ever need a friend to help grow your business, Mark Leader will always be just a phone call away. Please subscribe below to receive all the videos and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Mark Leader. See you soon.